Okay, Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Abstract Online Support Programming class is HSCC 1 first year. Okay, today you will learn about radical equations and its type, and you can just see it from page 149 to 156. Okay, and you know that chapter number 4 is going on. In exercise 4.3, radical equation is we have to just see and what is radical equation. So first, before we should see that what is radical. Another word used for root, the sign, the root is called radical sign. A number placed to the left, the sign shows the left of the root. Okay, so this is square root, cube root, fourth root, blah blah blah, and nth root. Okay, so this is the radical sign. A radical equation means any equation that involves radical. So if we have an under root in the equation, then we can say that radical equation. Okay. Extraneous root. What is extraneous root? That's some root. It may be that would be extra. Means that it will not be it will not satisfy to the equation. A number obtained in the process of solving an equation which is actually not a root of the given equation. In other words, we may say that a root does not satisfy given equation. It's called the extraneous root. So in radical equation, we should check the extraneous root as well. So now I'm just going to start questions of exercise 4.3. This is the type number 1. You can see that 3x square plus 2x. 3x square plus 2x. You can see that 3x square plus 2x is same. Okay. So 3x square plus 2x is same. So you can take common 3x square plus 2x is same. So let y is equal to 3x square plus 2x. Okay. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is the, we should just put it down or suppose. Okay, now after that, squaring on both sides, y square is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So 3x square plus 2x is equal to y square plus 1 minus y is equal to 7. Reducible quadratic form, mean the two factors, put it back to the original equations, means supposition. So again you can see that x is equal to this and x is equal to this, and this is the simplest thing that this is a simple algebra you have learned from metric. Okay, simple algebra. But now please check it out, is there any extraneous root or not? So first check this means checking means that all the things should be put in the question. So on checking we found that 1 and this are obtained the real roots, hence 1 and 5 upon 3 are extraneous root, means these and these are extraneous roots, extra roots हैं, they are not satisfying the whole equation. It means that this is the answer because it is satisfy the original root. Okay, after checking. So this is type number 3. Okay, type number 3. In type number 3 there are some type. So example number 1, question number 1 to 10 you have to do. Okay, now question number 10, x plus 4 is multiplying by x minus 1 under root x square plus 2x minus 15 plus 0. Okay, so first we just multiply two brackets, same algebra, same algebra, same. Okay, now you can see x square plus 2x minus 27, x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, so I suppose this thing. Okay, squaring both sides, minus 15 should be there, so y square plus 15, x square plus 2x. Okay, y square plus 2x is y square plus 15 minus 27 minus y, making factors, y is equal to two values, then put it back to the supposition. Now x is equal to this and x is equal to this. Okay, so now we checking 4 and minus 6. 4 and minus 6 means you can see that minus 6. 4 and minus 6. This is 4. Okay. 4 and minus 6. 4 and minus 6 are the extraneous roots. So means that only we have to satisfy that this is the actual answer. Question number 2 is homework. Now type number 1 which given in question is the form under root x plus a plus under root x plus b plus under root x plus c. Means 3 under roots are there. Okay, or 3 under root, or we can say that 2 under roots. Okay. So again this is the very similar question from matrix. This is squaring both side, again squaring both side, and then have the answer. But after the answer you have to check the solution, that is it true or not, means is there any extraneous root or not. Okay. Now you can see that this algebra we did it. Algebra. This is squaring both side, again under root is there, so again squaring both side, simplification is there. And question number 5 is homework. Okay. Now question number 7 you can see. Now factorizing, I'm just making factors, this and 5 is common. Okay. Now again making factors. You can see that something is common. What is common? X minus 1 is common. X minus 1 is common. X minus 1 is common, and under root x plus 3 plus under root is remaining. Okay. So only this thing is remaining. Now you can see that this a and b, a multiplied by b is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0 means it should be equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, and now you can see that this is the type that we have to solve. Squaring both sides, again squaring both sides. So you can see the answer of this. Okay. On checking, 1 comma minus 3 is the answer. Question number 8 and 9 are the homework. Now under root x square plus x plus 1, under root x square plus x minus 1. Okay. Now you can see that this is a minus b. So a minus b is equal to 1. So a square minus b square means just squaring both sides, a square minus b square. Okay. This is the thing. So or you can just solve it by your way, na? You can solve it by your way. How? That just squaring both sides, again squaring both sides, and then you have the answer. Okay. Question number 12 is again the same thing. You can see that this is a, this is b. So a minus b is equal to x minus 4. A, to find a and b, we find a square minus b square. A square minus b square, a square minus b, so means you can see that square root cancel, square root cancel. This is minus, and answer is a square minus b square is x square minus 16. A minus b plus b is equal to x minus 4 plus 4. Okay. Now put it back in the equation, x plus 4 here, x minus 4 a plus b. Okay. Putting value of a minus b from equation number 1, a minus b, x minus 4. Okay. a minus b की जगह पे x minus 4 आ गया, x minus 4 आ गया. Okay. So what is the value? A plus b is equal to x plus 4. So now I am just adding equation 1 and 4, a minus b and a 1 and 3 I am adding. Okay. A और b की वैल्यू निकाल लो यहाँ से and put it back. So x2 निकाल लो यहाँ से. Okay. Now you can see that is there any extraneous root? Yes, we can have extraneous root. Question number 11 is homework. Okay. I am alive through the WhatsApp group. You can ask me. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Love.